Setting the beat. Using rhythm to enhance mood and atmosphere in writing. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore an exciting part of creative writing, using rhythm to enhance mood and atmosphere. Rhythm is like the heartbeat of a story, dictating its pace and helping to evoke emotions. So, let's dive into it and discover how we can bring our writings to life. When we talk about rhythm in writing, we refer to the pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables, the flow of words, and the pacing of phrases. Just like music, rhythm can influence how readers feel about a story. A rapid rhythm can create suspense or excitement, while a slow rhythm can evoke calm or contemplation. One of the ways to manipulate rhythm is through sentence length. Short sentences speed up the rhythm, making the scene feel intense, urgent. Conversely, long sentences slow down the rhythm, providing more details and allowing the reader to immerse themselves in the environment or emotions. Let's consider an example. Short sentence, he ran. Breathless. Heart pounding. Long sentence, he ran through the dimly lit streets, his breath echoing in his ears, heart pounding like a drum in his chest. In the short sentence version, you can feel the urgency, the intensity. On the other hand, the long sentence version provides more detail, building a clearer image, and slowing the pace. Now it's time for you to practice. Think about a scene or a mood you want to convey. Write two versions of it, one using short sentences for fast rhythm and another with long sentences for a slow rhythm. For example, consider a scene where a character is waiting anxiously. Fast rhythm, she waited. Tick-tock, sweat dripped. Slow rhythm, she sat there, waiting anxiously as the seconds on the clock echoed in the room. Each tick and tock a reminder of the impending news, sweat slowly forming on her brow. Feel the difference? It's the same scene but the rhythm changes the reader's experience. And that's a wrap. We've just explored how using rhythm in your writing can enhance mood and atmosphere. Remember, just like a song, your writing has a rhythm, a beat that can shape your reader's experience. So keep practicing, play around with sentence length, and see what rhythm suits your story best. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next session. Happy writing!